Hello friends, my name is Satyam. Today I will tell a Republic Day speech. A very good morning to Honorable Chief Guest, respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. First of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Today we gather here to celebrate our 73rd Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January every year. This day is filled with patriotism, great affection and respect towards our motherland, India. Republic Day is celebrated to remember the historic moment when our nation became an independent country. As we all know that India got its independence on 15th August 1947 and the country didn't have its own constitution. Instead, India was governed by the laws implemented by the British. However, after many deliberation and amendments, a committee headed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar submitted a draft of the Indian Constitution, which was adopted on 26 November 1949. That is why 26 November is celebrated as National Constitution Day in India. But that day our constitution was just passed, not implemented, and it officially came into effect on 26 January 1950. On the same day, Dr. Rajendra Prasad also began his term as the first President of India, and the Constituent Assembly became the Parliament of India under provision of the new Constitution. Since we are celebrating Republic Day, we should know the meaning of Republic. The word Republic is derived from the Latin word res publica, which is related to people. Republic is something that is connected to the people. It is a system in which the country belongs to the people, the government belongs to the people, and the democracy is the greatest means for restoring this kind of system. I salute all those freedom fighters who have sacrificed their life for independence one way or the other. And I would also salute to the soldiers who are still working on the border to protect this freedom. So let's remember our royal and golden heritage and be proud that we are a part of this great heritage. Once when Dr. Kalam was asked that what is the major strength and weakness of India, he answered, the youth are the strength of India and the weakness of India is the vision, because the nation dies without vision. I think vision is the only quality lacking in younger generation today. When we will understand our responsibilities towards our nation, towards our people, that day our nation will see a change. Republic Day main celebration is held at the Rajpath in National Capital, New Delhi, before the President of India. On this day, ceremonial parade takes place at Rajpath, which are performed as a tribute to India's unity in diversity and rich cultural heritage. Republic Day is celebrated in every school, college, and office with great enthusiasm and energy. In school, various competitions are held which include dancing, singing and giving a Republic Day speech. I want to end this speech by saying that India is a democratic country. The citizens living in a democratic country enjoy the privilege to elect their leader to lead the country. Although we have seen a lot of economic improvement and success as a country, we still have many hurdles in our path, such as poverty, unemployment, pollution, and the last 2 years, COVID. It is our duty as citizens to face these challenges and come out stronger on the other side. So, one thing we all can do is to promise each other that we will become a better version of ourselves so that we could contribute to solve all these problems and make our nation a better place. Thank you. Jai Hind.